All right, everybody. Mike Lieberman from Advisors Capital Management, back for the 10-second interview show. I am joined again by Dr. Charles Lieberman, Chief Investment Officer of Advisors Capital Management. Real quick recap for anybody who does not know, we're going to ask 5 questions. Each question, 10 seconds allowed for the answer. If you go over, I'll cut you off. Normally I say I have a buzzer, but I don't really have a buzzer. So I'll just hop in and say, hey, you're talking too long. So with that, Chuck, macro issues. Let's talk about some of the big things that clients and financial advisors are asking us, and then we can go ahead and sort of talk about the most common talking points that we're seeing right now. So first and foremost, 10 seconds. You know the rules. You know the deal. Interest rates flat from here on out, going higher, going lower. Fed is saying flat. Market's saying lower. What do you think?
I think the Fed is going to be proven right. The Fed is saying that they're going to raise by a quarter and then hold. The market thinks there's a big recession coming. I think the market is way ahead of itself.
All right. Staying with recession real quickly, I'm going to pivot on the questions that we rehearsed, and now you're getting some curveballs. Recession 2023, yes or no?
Probably no.
Oh, contrarian. I like that. Okay. Bank run. Story seems to be over, turned into maybe a bank walk. Regional banks taking in deposits again, healthy. Is that story over?
It's mostly over. There's still a few landmines out there. First Republic is going to have to be addressed at some point. They have too many losses, at least as of December, to be acquired. But we haven't seen the March data yet, and the situation should improve. I think the worst is definitely over, and maybe there are a few smaller institutions that still have problems.
Earnings. So a lot of people are saying now, a lot of analysts are saying that earnings need to be coming down on the S&P, perhaps significantly. Of course, that is pre-recessionary, I guess. This earnings season, though, has not fallen in line with that. These numbers are coming in pretty strong. What are your thoughts?
We see this every quarter. The analysts always tend to get fearful if there's something going on, and certainly the commentators do. So I think they're overstating the weakness. The economy is hanging in very well. I don't think the earnings numbers are going to come down as much as feared.
All right, look at this. You were hammering these questions out. It's very impressive. You, after all these times of this show, you finally learn it. Big one of the day. I don't know how much it impacts markets, but it's something everybody's talking about. That's AI, right? The birth of ChatGPT, the rise of the machines. What are your thoughts there? Does this change everything? Does it change anything?
It changes a lot. It reminds me a little bit of of how things got changed when Excel came into being. All of a sudden, you could do spreadsheets and massive research or analysis on data sets easily. AI will allow some of that same thing, but I don't know that it's going to cause a lot of jobs to disappear. Maybe in some select industries, but overall, it's going to be a spur to growth.
To think I just complimented you for 10 seconds, then you blew it right out on the last question. All right, that's it. 5 questions, 10 seconds each, 10-second interview show. If you liked it, click and subscribe below. Available on our website, advisorscapital.com. Thank you, everybody. We'll keep at it.